So I'm making my progress video. I don't know if you can see. It's all starting to flatten out. First, I don't know, this angle makes my butt look big, but I don't know if you can see. I've lost down from 141 is what I started at. I'm 130 now. I've been busting my butt. What I do is I exercise, and then I put the ice pack on, and I just let it sit there, and usually 45 minutes I let it sit. That's usually after I'm relaxing. Right now I'm in between jobs today, and I'm going to be going back to work soon. You can tell I've been crazy. I'm doing this for me. I really feel like now that I'm single, it's going to help my confidence level like 100%. You know, so I'm doing that because I've not had very good luck, I'll be honest. And I want to make a blog about some of these things these men on these dating sites say. I'm actually thinking of going off. I mean, it's like so turn-offish. I make a blog called Beep Men Say. Yeah, I think everybody would laugh about that because I've told some of my friends the stories and they say, that's like, you can't even make that up. It's just bizarre stuff. I'm like the last choice, so apparently they go down and I'm like the last person that they send that message to, and I have to laugh. It's like, are you really sending this message to me? So anyways, I'm going to work on myself. I've got to try to be happy. I lost my car and everything. It's, you know, now with my ex, he's trying to sell it for $8 grand. So bye-bye Gremlin. I'm crying about the car more than him. I don't miss him. He was pretty bad to me. So I'm rebuilding my life, rebuilding my happiness, and now I have to rebuild my body. That's been a lot of challenges, but I've got a lot of the towers stacked up. If I could just get rid of my, you know, fat and fit back into my clothes again. I've kept them all this time, like with high hopes. So, all right, everybody have a great new year. Bye.